because in just few minutes we would be starting a group discussion, and the group discussion's topic is excellent. Is the vaccination drive in India a trustable one or not? क्या हम इंडिया में जो वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव चल रहा है उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? क्योंकि भाई मीडिया में बहुत कुछ दिखाया जाता है, तो आज हम लोग वही चीज का ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे, समझ गए ना? सो बिफोर एंटरिंग इनटू अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, स्पीकिंग क्लास, व्हाट आई डू इन द स्पीकिंग क्लास इज दैट, सबसे पहले मैं स्पीकिंग क्लास में क्या करता हूं, दैट आई डिस्कस 5 words of the day. Now these are my 5 words. आप लोग सब लोग गाड़ी चलाते हैं, तो जो रोड से रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी होती है, रोड से रिलेटेड, वो मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूं. My first word is intersection, where the two roads diverge. Intersection का मतलब crossing each other. Second vocabulary for the day is rush hour. Rush hour, the meaning of rush hour is ऐसा टाइम जिस समय सबसे ज्यादा भीड़ होती हो, when there is a lot of crowd. TOD का मतलब कोई बताना चाहेगा? Who wants to discuss this term TOD, TOWED? Anyone? Yes, anyone who wants to discuss the meaning of this term TOD, TOWED? Yes. ओहो, नो वन. चलिए, नहीं पता, कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता देता हूं आप लोगों को. द मीनिंग ऑफ टोड इज जब एक गाड़ी दूसरी गाड़ी को सपोर्ट या बैलेंस करके कहीं ले जा रही है, उसको हम लोग टोइंग कहते हैं, टोड. स्पीडिंग का मतलब टू इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल. किसी भी व्हीकल की स्पीड बढ़ाने के लिए जब हम लोग बात करते हैं उसे कहते हैं स्पीडिंग. और गेट ऑफ, गेट ऑफ इज अ फ्रेज, इट एक्चुअली मींस टू एस्केप. चलो भाई, ये तो मेरे 5 वर्ड्स हो गए. अब हम लोग चलते हैं जीडी पर, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, एक्सीलेंट स्पीकिंग एक्टिविटी. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, जहां पर कुछ लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं, दे सिट एंड डिस्कस ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. आगे चलते हैं, लेट्स सी. Now see what all group discussion involves. ये उन बच्चों के लिए जिन्होंने कभी ग्रुप डिस्कशन पहले अटेंड नहीं किया है. There should be team work. बहुत ही अच्छी भाषा का यूज करना चाहिए. कोशिश करना चाहिए कि आप जीडी में लीडरशिप बन के रहें. आपके अंदर सुनने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए. You should have very good communication skills. You should have very good general awareness, confidence, social skills and problem solving skills. ये तो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए केवल एक ऐसे ही फिगर बनाया हुआ है. तो भाई आज के टॉपिक पर आते हैं. इज द वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव इन इंडिया, इज द वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव इन इंडिया अ ट्रस्टेबल वन और नॉट? क्या हम लोग वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव पर ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? सो फ्रॉम नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश. ग्रुप डिस्कशन हैज 3 राउंड्स. Whenever we talk about a group discussion, it has 3 rounds. Number 1, opinion round, जहां पर हम अपनी राय रखते हैं, राय देते हैं कि हाँ या ना. सेकेंड राउंड, उसको कहते हैं हम लोग डिस्कशन राउंड. क्या कहते हैं? डिस्कशन राउंड. और थर्ड है कंक्लूजन. थर्ड राउंड क्या होता है? कंक्लूजन होता है. तो जरा देखिए, मैं फर्स्ट राउंड स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूं. उसके बाद सभी लोगों को पार्टिसिपेट करना पड़ेगा और पहला राउंड सब लोग को बोलना पड़ेगा. देखिएगा और सुनिएगा. वेरी वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू वन एंड ऑल. टुडे आई, तरुण सर, वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट माय opinion on a very strong topic, which is the vaccination drive in India trustable or not? In my opinion, no, not at all. This is my opinion. Personally, I cannot trust it. As simple as that. Yes, next candidate. Please present your opinion.
I would like to present my opinion on the topic. Is Indian vaccination drive completely trustable or not? My opinion is no, it is not completely trustable.
Excellent. Next.
Good evening to all of you. In my opinion, I would say it is not trustable.
It is not trustable. चलो कोई तो मेरा साथ देगा. Yes, next. Yes, next.
Good evening to one and all present for here. First, I would like to give my opinion on the topic: is the vaccination derived in India is trustable or not? So, in my opinion, it is trustable.
So it is trustable according to Khwaish. And next candidate. Yes, keep presenting your opinion, please. Be quick.
So India's COVID-19 vaccination campaign is a marathon, not a sprint. In my opinion, it is trustable.
Excellent use of words. Very good. Keep it up. Next.
Sir, today I, Shreya, would like to express my views on the topic, can we trust the derived vaccination in India? I am against in this motion.
You are against the motion. Next. Are there are other students also? You don't want to present your opinion?
To all of you, today I, Tanu Gyar, would like to present my opinion. I say I am in favor of this topic.
Yes, Mr. Chetan. Urf Chota Chetan. Yes.
Good evening to all of you. My opinion in this topic is the vaccination drive in India is trustable.
Okay, don't use an article before the name of the countries. Mr. Ashish Singh. Pari.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning to all of you.
Good.
In my opinion, vaccination drive is trustable.
Okay, I hope. Kaveri, beta. Kaveri is new to my class. Yes, River Kaveri, please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, my opinion is to take the vaccine.
Okay, you are trusting the vaccination drive. Absolutely fine. And group discussion is all about presenting your opinion. No need to fight. Now we are going to enter into the body of the group discussion. That is discussion round. But before body, I would like to show you something. दुनिया इनसे डरती है और वो आ गए. ये रहे. Oh my God, क्या पेंटिंग करी है भाई, जिसने भी करी है. माइंड ब्लोइंग, कोई नहीं कर सकता. काश मेरा कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसे ही कर पाता. India is conducting the world largest COVID-19 vaccination program. Oh, ho, ho. So now I am going to invite Shashwat to start the GD. Mr. Shashwat, you can start and initiate the group discussion, and then you will be contradicted or supplemented. Please start. Diksha, please start.
So myths and misinformation around vaccines circulating on both traditional and social media have had a significant impact on the global vaccination drive.
I would like to contradict.
I would like.
Okay, come up. Very good. Students are trying to bring in with. Come up with your points.
Not everything about the vaccine is a myth. Many of the points told about the vaccine are truth. Many of the points are correct.
Many of the points, okay, related to the vaccine is actually true. Okay, the statements are true. I would like to counter your points by saying that the matter is all's well that ends well. This is a very famous proverb. And one more proverb. In case if you start a work, since the beginning, the vaccination drive has been, since the beginning, the vaccination drive has been into limelight only for negative reasons. Why so? I am not blaming any party. I am talking about the brokers that are involved in between. कितनी कॉमन सी बात है. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी कॉमन. स्टार्टिंग हुई नहीं इंडिया में कि पहले से पता चल गया दैट किसी को 2 वैक्सीन लगा दी गई एक ही दिन में. ये देखिए कैसे भरोसा कर लूं मैं, और वो भी एक बुजुर्ग औरत को. An old lady was vaccinated for twice back to back. My God, she will die due to this. How could she control the fever? And you people very well know this, that after being vaccinated, the body reacts. Counter Tarun sir's point. Please counter Tarun sir's point or supplement me. Oh.
I would like to say that it is not completely trustworthy because many people are getting symptoms of it, and also many of them are being COVID positive. Then what's the means of having the vaccine?
Very good. Again, I would like to support Ravisha's point by saying that what kind of a vaccine is this? I don't know. I'm not very good at biology and I'm not good at science. What kind of vaccine is this where many of them were disturbed just because of fever that rose to 102 point something. The hands and legs started to get into the motion of standstill. Many of them faced a lot of body pain and all. Okay, fine. Despite all this, after being vaccinated, there were many doctors. After being vaccinated, there were many doctors who died. I would like to invite Khwahish to quote her point. Yes, Khwahish.
I want to contradict your point by saying that it is said by the minister that if a person is getting some fever or some infection, there are some chances that that vaccine has. So can I say in Hindi?
Okay, I'll translate it. Don't worry. Yes, please.
सर की वैक्सीन तभी काम कर रही है, मतलब असर की है जब किसी को कुछ हुआ है जैसे फीवर या एक्सेट्रा.
This is what I said. This is what I agree. I agree what you are saying, that the body actually catches cold, catches fever and all. Fine. And it only remains for 2 days. Hardly 2 days. I know this. My question to you is that after being vaccinated, many of them said that there are only 5% chances of dying. Then how come doctors died? %95% there is positivity that people won't die, they won't be admitted. Then how come cases again have gone up to 50,000 in India? Why these cases? Tell me. Because everyone.
The condition is becoming worsening for those who have other symptoms also, like diabetes.
Those who are suffering from diabetes and.
It is also said that the vaccine is causing cancer and heart diseases. So how can we say that the vaccine is fully?
Oh, very good.
It is trustable as it produces antibodies to our body, which help us to fight the coronavirus disease.
Ravisha has a very good data with her, because this is for the first time I have gone through this data that people are suffering from cancer and all after being vaccinated. Is it true? Do you have a complete data regarding this? Anyone who wants to counter Ravisha? Because I haven't heard this, though I am against the vaccination program and drive. So Ravisha, can you please brief us on more on this data, facts and figures?
So I would like to say that the people who are actually have sugar, who are sugar patients, they are dying due to corona after having the vaccine. So it has many side effects. I have searched it many where on Google, and it is said that it is true that it is causing cancer and heart diseases. Then why are we saying that it is completely trustworthy?
You won't believe, I was watching a video and that was not a rumor, because a Canadian doctor, he was giving his views on this vaccination drive. He said that, okay, fine, you would be cured in the meanwhile. Like in the coming days, in the coming years, yes, this will actually act as a remedy, but in long term it will lead to impotency. You won't be able to give birth to a baby, infertilization and all, etc., etc. So what is all this? How come this news has spread all over? This is actually challenging. So I would like to invite boys now in the GD. Chetan, what is your point regarding the same? Yes, Chetan. What is the point?
So my point is that the vaccine built the belief in people that that they will be well soon.
They will get well soon. Acha, it is a vaccine, not a medicine.
Sir, belief.
It's a belief.
Sir,
Okay,
it will,
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir, belief, sir.
But the people
okay.
call.
Counter him, excellent. Counter him. Wow.
I would like to say that even after having the vaccine, we have to wear mask, we have to maintain social distancing, we have to sanitize.
Wow, what a great point. What a great point. I cannot trust on India's vaccination drive. Reason why? Because there are many foreign countries that have asked their citizens that they can move without a mask. They can freely move without a mask. They have straight away asked their citizens. And I was watching a match of India and New Zealand where people were sitting without mask. New Zealand has gone corona free. Why not our country? In case if we have so many vaccines now, Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik, Pfizer, Cadila, Zydus, Johnson. Oh my God. So देखा वैक्सीन का थोड़े दिन में व्यापारी ना बन जाऊं कहीं मैं. हाँ चेतन, yes.
Sir, I want to contradict your point by saying that their population is less than India's.
So, nice point. Yes,
sir,
agree.
Their population is less.
And what about this then?
The vaccine has.
What about them then? What about this country? India's population is around 140 crore and China's population is around 145 or above. I need to check my facts and figures regarding the same. And now I'm going to invite other speakers to enter the GD. Yes, Shashwat, मैंने आपसे Shashwat and Shreya can come in the GD.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, I will tell you that who is responsible for COVID-19? We all are human beings. We not maintaining social distancing. We are not following any rules. It's only depends upon us.
Very good. Very good. Ronani. Huh.
Sir, एक मिनट.
अच्छा, अरे 10th से ट्रेनिंग दे के कुछ सीख ही नहीं पाए. हाँ, चलो आ जाओ. हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
एक मिनट. Sir, we all are human beings moving in a flock or sheep means when one sheep walks into a pit, others blindly follow it. If someone said that vaccination saves our life, so why we are wearing masks? Why we are not moving here and there?
Very nice. Very anyone in the GD? भाई मैं कितना बोलूं? Why should I?
Sir,
Wait. Shreya, wait. Tanu wants to interrupt your point. And Tanu is coming in the GD.
According to a report, India showed highest number of trustees on vaccines, and it is one of the it is the first country which has driven such a large vaccine programs.
What are you talking about? I would like to counter your point by saying that there are many foreign countries that have rejected. I'll not take the name of those vaccines. They said that please don't get yourself vaccinated and enter our country. कितनी शर्म की बात है ये? They straight away said that don't enter our country. Now what will you say on this? And you won't believe, recently in the news, Tejasvi Yadav and his brother, I have forgotten his name, Tejasvi and
Sir, may I say?
Yes, please. Your point.
Sir, in my relation also, one person is fully fit and fine after taking the vaccination. He was died.
He died. वो मर के वापस आ गया.
Sir.
वाह.
No, sir, he was died after. Sir, after taking vaccination, he was died because, sir, vaccination react him.
Acha, he died. This is something debatable point, and you are only talking about one person. My God, I was shocked. I was
Even
yes.
there are doctors who
There
also
are
died.
doctors. There are doctors. Ravisha
Sir,
wants to come in. Huh.
Sir, I want to contradict her point by saying that many government persons, frontline workers have been vaccinated and they are now working efficiently in their jobs.
Wait.
but many